نحمد الله الذي خلق السماوات العلى ونشكره دائما على فضله الجلال. أما بعد. Honorable teachers, respected our ulama ikram and all other chairpersons. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to my dear friends and all of you. I have given a golden opportunity to come to stage and say something before you for parents and hijabi sisters and mothers. So dear friends and Talaba Ikram, I hope you all are very fine and good. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant Jannah and protect us from shayateen. So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. Your Lord has declared that you worship none but Him and do good to parents. The status of parents in Islam is very high. We as a Muslim should give respect and love to our parents. Parents are to be treated well at all times. This is a virtuous kind of act in the sight of Almighty Allah. Parents and children in Islam are bonded together by mutual obligations. Allah Almighty says in Holy Quran, no mother should be harmed through her child, and no father through his child. From the other mentioned verse of Holy Quran, we can conclude that Quran has made it obligatory for the child to treat his parents with grace and mercy. Every Muslim must show kindness and mercy to his parents throughout their lives. It is obligatory of children to show them respect and gratitude to their parents. Always speak to parents gently and respectfully. Our parents as a team provided for our needs, physical, educational, psychological, and in many instances religious, moral and spiritual. It becomes obligatory for us to show that much kindness, respect and obedience to our parents. Rights of parents according to the Quran and Sunnah. Allah Azza wa Jal ordered every Muslim to treat their parents well. The dutiful to parents has a great significance in Sharia. Meaning of service to parents. We should not say something to our parents that irritate us or hurt them. We should serve them with our might and wealth. When in need, we should go to them. If we have to serve our parents on that cost of nawafils, that is, we should omit the latter, because service of parents is more important than nawafils. But we can't omit obligatory prayer for the service of parents. We should love them by heart, talk to them with obedience, talk high of them, always try to fulfill their desires, never hide the way from them. After their death, recite Fatiha, Dua Maghfirah, pray for their well-being, and also recite Quran for them, and visit their grave and weekly. And Allah grant us to be among our parents. Ameen. And dear audience, now I am going to tell you about hijabi sisters and mothers. Allah says in Holy Quran, وَقُلْ لِلْمُؤْمِنَاتِ يَغْضُضْنَ مِنْ أَبْصَارِهِنَّ وَيَحْفَظْنَ فُرُوجَهُنَّ. The hijab in Islam is very important. If anyone in society or government or country will raise a hand on each other, so because hijab is our right, hijab is our pride, hijab is our identity, hijab is our beauty, hijab is our choice, hijab is our crown, hijab is our Islam, hijab is our fundamental right, and hijab is our Quran, not a crime, and hijab in Islam is well connected with that of marriage and Islamic family system. The West considers the society a group of individuals filled to society and then involving personally. On the contrary, Islam considers the society a unit. Islam believes that human civilizations can survive only when the society is clean, pious, systematic and responsible. In the last, Hijab is a beauty and a symbol of dignity for man. Hijab doesn't allow women to achieve high goals. That's all. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil